Microsoft's unique approach to this integrated platform. We are very excited to sort of highlight a couple of things that we think are unique in the way Microsoft is going about solving these problems. And I know Mike will add a little bit to this, but
Yeah.
there are really, in my mind, three key things. One is a shared data model. Now Microsoft uses the Dataverse to connect all of these applications, giving you one shared data model. Second, there is a unified security framework, bringing Microsoft Azure, an Active Directory, and all of these security applications all in one platform, as well as a native integration across these applications. Most of these applications have native integrations already built into them. They, of course, can be extended. And the reason I highlight these three unique characteristics is at the end of the day, it reduces the complexity of these integrations, which I know can be quite anxiety inducing most of the time when you talk about integrations in general, but also reducing the risk and the cost that comes with developing some of these integrations or implementing these integrations. Um, on the left hand side, you will see a number of different ways in which Microsoft delivers this promise of an integrated platform. And Mike, did you want to touch on some of these before we go
Yeah,
deeper?
I definitely do. There's never been a better time. This is exciting times for folks that are on the finance supply chain platform or thinking about adopting it. One of the big, huge things out there right now, when you're looking at an ERP, uh, if you're already on the Microsoft stack, Microsoft's position, finance supply chain to be the end pillar for ERP, the core finance, accounting, GLAPAR, warehouse management, production, all that in one platform. In addition to that, with these technologies, the Dataverse, Dual Write, the Power Platform, Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI, those things. Typically, in the past, when a customer you wanted to make a change to your ERP, and I know a lot of folks out there, if you're on older ERP platforms, like it's a big deal. Even F&O a few years back or AX days, it was always like this, like big, oh geez, I need to spend another, X amount of dollars again to extend my ERP, and I got to have these developers that are super specialized in that ERP, and then hope and pray I don't break anything along the way or it doesn't impact me from another upgrade of the ERP going forward. Uh, Microsoft's done a good job of kind of future proofing that with finance supply chain in the cloud. They're continuously doing, updates and new functionality and features and things in the platform itself. When you need to need additional functionality that's not there today, or they have other applications that fit your need, you can use these technologies like the Dataverse, Dual Write to and Power Platform to extend it outside and not impact the core ERP itself. So if you have sales needs, true sales, you want to, track your leads and contacts and the sales, on the sales side, the sales process and all that, and then get to a quote, you can implement, customer engagement sales. You have customer service needs, or like Lincoln mentioned, field service we see out there. You can integrate that pretty seamlessly with the dual write technology. If you have, I call it kind of a niche need, some scenarios out there where you have a unique quoting application or a very unique specific field service, few needs, but you don't need the full application. You can leverage the Power Platform to develop that external functionality really easily, and it'll integrate with finance supply chain fairly seamlessly going forward with Power Automate and the dual write technologies going forward. So it's a very nice time right now.